Welcome to WooCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using WooCommerce app. In this video, I will show you how to integrate WooCommerce to TikTok Shop using WooCommerce for more efficient multi-channel management. Let's start with how to connect WooCommerce to TikTok Shop. First, on your WooCommerce dashboard, go to the Plugins section, click Add New Plugin, and search for WooCommerce. Then, beside the WooCommerce multi-channel selling tool for WooCommerce logo, click Install Now and Activate. After that, scroll down the sidebar menu, hold over WooCommerce and select Marketplace Integration. Here, click on Click Here to connect your WooCommerce store with WooCommerce. Once connected, you will be redirected to the WooCommerce app where your WooCommerce store will run as the main store. Now, let's choose TikTok Shop as your sales channel. Click Connect under the TikTok Shop logo, enter your store name, and click Connect your account. Then let WooCommerce access your store data. Once finished, you have successfully connected WooCommerce to TikTok Shop. Now let's move to step 2, list and import products on TikTok Shop. In this step, I will walk you through 3 cases when listing products on WooCommerce and TikTok Shop. Case 1, list WooCommerce products on TikTok Shop. Once you've connected WooCommerce to your WooCommerce store, our tool will automatically import your WooCommerce products to the All Products section. To list products from WooCommerce to TikTok Shop, select the items. Click on Select Section and List Products to Channels. After that, check the box beside your TikTok Shop store and finally click Add as Drafts Now. After that, you will see these products in the TikTok Shop Store tab. As you might know, TikTok Shop may require more product details than your WooCommerce store. Click on the product to review and edit it before publishing. Here, you can optimize your product title, description, and images. You can also adjust pricing and set up product categories and shipping details for your product on TikTok Shop. Once your listing is ready to go live on TikTok Shop, click Save and Publish to TikTok. Then you will see that listing draft on your TikTok Shop. When selling on WooCommerce and TikTok, you might also have products on TikTok Shop and want to list them back on WooCommerce. Let's move to case 2. Import products from TikTok Shop and list on WooCommerce. On the TikTok Store tab, click on Import from TikTok Shop. Here you can select the options as you want, like auto-link products, re-import deleted products, or filter products to import. Once finished, click Begin Import. Wait a few seconds and your TikTok listings will appear in the active section. To list products on WooCommerce, choose the product and click Select Action, then Create on WooCommerce. After that, switch to your All Products tab and you will see that listing with the source from your TikTok Shop there. Now let's move to case 3. You currently have the same products on both WooCommerce and TikTok Shop and want to link them together. If you allow WooCommerce to automatically link products on WooCommerce and Amazon, the linked products will be marked with a blue dot. Otherwise, products that are not linked will have a red dot. To connect the unlinked listing, hold over the red icon and click Link to a product. WooCommerce will then suggest matching items. Click Select next to the matching item to link them. Once the product is linked on both channels, you will see the red icon change to blue. Now let's move to step 3, set up WooCommerce TikTok Shop Sync. This will help keep data consistent across channels. In your TikTok Shop tab, go to Channel Settings and you will see the syncing options. Enable Price Sync to automatically update the price on TikTok Shop to match the price of the linked product on WooCommerce. You can also choose to increase or decrease the price of all synced listings on the channel by using price rules. Similarly, you can turn on WooCommerce TikTok Inventory Sync to keep your stock quantity always updated on both channels. Moreover, inventory rules can help you adjust the TikTok Shop stock with a specific percent of available WooCommerce inventory. Or you can set maximum or minimum stock quantity. The last step is to manage TikTok order flows. To centralize your order management in your WooCommerce store, enable the Import Orders to Main Store option. This allows WooCommerce to automatically pull orders from your TikTok Shop into WooCommerce, making them easier to view and manage. However, please note that for Ship by TikTok orders, buyers' information is encrypted by the marketplace and will not be visible when imported to your WooCommerce store. Finally, click Save Settings at the bottom of the page to save the features you've set. And that's how to integrate WooCommerce with TikTok Shop to reduce your manual efforts when selling on multiple channels. Want to expand your sales channels to Amazon, eBay, or Etsy? Go to Add or Manage Channels and choose the platform you want to connect with. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or contact our support team. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy selling.